We're getting on that.
He just purchased a property in Charleston.
Going way up there. It says it's the longest tram ride in the world, but who knows? That must be the footpath if you're a real man.
Maybe that other one would be closer.
Maybe?
Look that up tonight.
Sounds like they're firing up the tram. We'll go get on it and head out.
Around, you're gonna notice what does look like a trail, but this is our access road. This is our only access road that leads up the mountain up to tower number 1. This road was also used to haul and construct all the equipment up to tower number 1 as well. Tower 1 stands at 232 feet tall. Its elevation is 7,010 feet. And as we all go over tower number 1, we're gonna have our first swing and sway. And if you all feel comfortable enough, go ahead and put your hands up in the air. Alrighty, everyone, and here we go. Some of y'all like that one going up, but even all love it going down. Some of y'all look towards my side, teed out towards Albuquerque, so we call that one Golf Ball Rock. And coming up again in our south beach direction, you'll all see this flat vertical shaped rod that's still coming up. So some people occasionally make out a fish figure out of it. How big your imagination is. Oh, we call some fish rock. Some people may think it's Dory from Finding Nemo. I just think it's a big piranha without any teeth. The bark beetle. So the bark beetle came into our national forest along with many other areas in our national forest along the east side of the mountains. And left many of our trees like this, as you can see. So, if you all remember me saying, our only access road leads up to tower number 1. Makes you wonder why our access road for tower clear span of 1.5 miles. And again, as we all go over tower number 2, we're going to have our final swing and sway. And if you all feel comfortable enough, go ahead, put your hands up in the air. Just okay.
Come on, man, get those hands up.
Feel this way.
Here's our swing, and like I said, here's our little swing. So we're gonna take a picture of our sister cabin. She's coming directly in front of us. She'll be passing on my side of the cabin. So you're all walking away, smile, take pictures, make funny faces. They might be doing the same thing as well. And as everyone. So the main other reason why we also slow down is because at any time, wind gusts exist while getting near and crossing our towers. So if we ever do have any type of swing while getting near our towers, we'll call down to our console operator down at our lower terminal, let them know how much of a swing we are having. So they'll slow us down about 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 mile per hour. So once our cabins end up with 4 to 6 inches of swing, then they'll take us right over the tower. So this is all safety precautions, everyone. And here we go. So in another few more moments, coming up on my side of the cabin, you'll all notice this ridge that is still coming up. So right now at this point, we will be entering Echo Canyon.
The pose.
At the top of the ski lift is or the tram is a ski lift. And there's a restaurant. It's cloudy day today, so we're sitting up here in the clouds looking out. Cool ceiling. So we're on a trail. The restaurant's up there. We came down over yonder way. Yeah. That's off the edge. Yeah, well, that's a raindrop. See if I can dodge the raindrops for a bit here. Yeah, and I got sick again, so. No shades of Alaska though, I'm not dead. Well, yet, trip ain't over yet, so. Yeah, it's cool, we're standing on a little ledge, we're gonna walk around that way. So it's fairly rough terrain here, I mean, you gotta be real careful. I mean, not that you'd want to fall over or anything, but that's a ways down. Even in the fog, it's a ways down. So, around we go. On one of the paths, there's some yellow trees down there. Look at that, pretty. Also, these rocks are just cool looking up here. Hopefully it'll turn out, but we were told that this area was toppled over geologically. So we're actually standing on what used to be an ocean floor, even though it's on top of a mountain. And in the rocks here you can see sea life. So fossils or whatever they are, imprints of trilobites, whatever they call them. Things, stuff. More cool path and rocks. One day when I can no longer walk up trails and hills like this will really be fun to have. It's actually raining here. I'm not sure if you can hear the drops on my coat, but it's blub, blub. That's about level. You can see what kind of angle, what mountain is that. From what we read and we're told, that was from the upheavals. It's the whole bottom just got pushed way up. Flip-flopped. Yeah, okay, so we're 10,000 feet up. I realize this front one's a little toasty and dead, but this one, that's a humongous tree. The base of it is probably 3 foot in diameter. There's no soil up here. It's rock. Look at this one. Like he's growing out of the rock. Wait, it's that alien ship. So isn't that cool? I mean, wow. You can actually see the city down below. It looked like snow caps on the rock because it was right above the rock and the fog was there, the clouds were there. See, fog will play tricks on you. Here it comes again. Yeah, so I'm standing on a rock looking out and it was so pretty. And you know what? I don't care if you're tired of looking at this. I don't care, okay? Just suck it up and keep watching. So I was wrong about the snow. Big deal. So here we are. Little path to go on. Happy Monday. It's so cool that you can just see these are the clouds. I call them fog, but I don't know if they'll turn out, but I mean you can actually watch cloud banks coming in. Wow. So down there, somewhere,
I'm gonna go by that one rock pretty soon.
gee, I hope I catch it. I can't actually see anything. There he is. That's the tram. That's the down one. I got it.
Did you?
Yep. Might catch that. Ooh.
Oh, that's...
I just had a crystal clear view.
Oh.
Gonna try again, but we'll see. Wow. There he is. There's the tram. Tram starts at about 6,500 feet roughly and goes to 10,300, so we're quite a ways up right now.
Let's see if I can catch him on the other side of this tree.
Sure was pretty here. There he is. He's way off in the distance. There he goes. See how those colors turn out. The rock is kind of rose colored. It's kind of special for this area with the basalt or something, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Something with the volcanic stuff.
they call it Watermelon Mountain.
Yeah.
When the sun hits it.
Loved how you can just see the yellow. And over there, if it turns out, you can see the shadows of clouds down on the city. Because we're up in the mountains. I hope I got enough battery to catch this. Look at how the rocks are glistening down there. Man, hope that turns out. This is the spot that a few moments ago my cell phone rang. 10,000 feet up in a mountain looking down at this, and Jared called. So, there's the little path you gotta walk on. Well, thanks for calling, Jared. See if I can see him, but there's the tram going up into the clouds. Well, we're near the end and we wanted to catch just a little bit. If you can see that glistening, great. If not, take our word for it. It's glistening. This is where we come. You know, we've been walking along the trail along the side of a mountain just like that. This is the ski lifts. We saw them a while ago, but we were fully in the clouds, and now it looks like there's, I don't know, at least 2 of them. People come up here, I guess, and ski, but what a cool thing. We get to come up here, walk around, hike, and we can see that. We couldn't see any of this when we first got here, barely. Yeah, see the big wheels are moving. Big wheels keep on turning. Okay, I won't sing anymore. I don't think it's gonna focus.
I'm fair
Peak over there, you can